So my friend Mark sent me a video last night, and it was of him at a Family Dollar in a Hero Hot Merc Super Treasure Hunt right on the front. Congratulations, Mark.
Bro, I literally just walked in here and this was sitting right in front.
Well, I was driving by this Family Dollar, and I figured, why not? That's a shame. It's pretty low. No super for me, Mark. No super for me. Although last time I was in the store, when I was running around looking for Christmas shippers, I actually got to 2 sealed cases. They were H cases, and I didn't get a super then either. Bummer. Alright, let's see if this store got the shipper. Did anything change here? Actually, you know what? I think maybe it did. B case. It's hard to tell. Last time I was here, they didn't have anything. I don't think there's more, but it is B case. B case is the shipper case, so. Yeah, man. Mark found the super treasure hunt. Congratulations, bro. He was like, dude, I couldn't believe it. I know the feeling, man. I know that feeling. It's a great feeling that all of us hunters chase, but rarely experience. Oh, wait. Yup. That's a Dollar General exclusive. So, they did get the shipper here, and I am late. Alright, moving on to a Target, and boy oh boy, I'm so happy we have that extra hour now. Okay, let's see. Did they get a restock on main lines? I don't think so. It's looking like the same stuff. Power rocket. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Or noticed it, should I say. Alright, I don't think there's much here in the main lines. How about the premiums? We're just still working with Fast and Furious. Yep. 2 packs. They got a restock of these trucks. These are newer, but these are old. So is the Holdens, the BMWs. Actually, no, those aren't BMWs. What? Lancia Rally? Which one is this from? Oh yeah, okay, it's the newer set. I think they do have Ultra Hots here. I just don't think they put them all out. They just fill the pegs. So like, I kind of want to like hide these, because then it would force them to fill them, which would be nice. I think that's why we just keep randomly seeing like 1 or 2 on the pegs. Alright, cleaning up a little bit. Premiums, they're really full, but just stuff nobody wants. And I got a lot of it already, so I've thought about getting another one of these to open, but this would be kind of a waste of money, actually. Ooh, these are new. These are new. I don't know if they're new, but they're definitely new to this store. I mean, they're pretty. The paint is very nice, but I'm not a big fan of the cars. Just the same stuff for Donny Lightning. I say this all the time, but it's quite literally the same stuff. This Land Cruiser, and then this guy here, this, what is it, a 33 Ford, the Pacer. It's literally the same stuff over and over again. How often do they come out with new stuff? Doesn't seem like very often. Fiat 580, that's new, and so is this Opel. Newer, anyways. Publix. I mean, this is like a I've been here type calling card, but it doesn't mean there's not some cool stuff here. I think it's all the same stuff that was here. They might have gotten a new case. I can't really tell. I don't think so, though. I think they're due for one soon, but there's a lot of them here, so they might need to filter them out a little bit first, but we got most of it already. We're just looking for the Civic now. Yep, just the Civic. Here are 3 customs I have completed for subscribers. This guy here is for my subscriber, Mike Bernard. This thing came out absolutely amazing. Let's bring this for a sun check. We only got a little bit of sun left over here. Metallic blue paint. So I'm not sure if you quite remember what this used to look like, but I will put the picture up on the screen. This might be one of the best ones we've done here. Mike had asked me to make him one. I asked him what he wanted. He said a muscle car. I went digging through my box of damaged cars, pulled this guy out. We decided on blue paint with a gray interior. I tinted the back window. We got some cool multi-spoke wheels on it, and of course the details done by Lisa. This one right here is for my friend Rob. His friend just recently got this car and asked me to make it for him. This was the one that normally comes purple with stripes. We got yellow seats inside, black wheels, and the details. This is racing blue paint, I believe, and clear coat. And this one came out pretty good. I think his friend's gonna really like it. If it looks anything like his car, which it should, because I pretty much went off the picture. Also, rest in peace, Lewis. I had a friend who recently passed away that had this exact car, so it was quite fun making it. Also kind of thinking about him while I was doing so. And this one here is for my subscriber, Eric. Eric had emailed me, told me he wanted a Porsche in like Miami blue. So I started making this one right here, which is actually this guy right here. Then I thought, you know what, let me ask him if he wants retro or modern day. Well, he said he wanted modern day, but I showed him a picture of this versus a car painted this just to double check which color he actually wanted, and he said, no dude, send me that one, it looks great. And he also requested that I make him one using the newest Porsche, which I don't have one anywhere, but it's the one in the most recent case, this guy right here. So you will see that coming sometime in the near future. But yeah, I think this one came out great as well. I painted the rear taillights because you can, well no, they're not here and I'll explain why, but they're normally clear like the front, but I painted them red. We also have the roll cage in silver. Yeah, I think it came out pretty good. That's actually really nice looking. I mean, compared to how it was. Now, here's the funny part, is right when I was done, I decided that I was going to tint the rear window. Wait a minute, did I forget to tint the rear window? I think I did. Was I gonna tint the rear window? Yes, I believe I was gonna. I can't remember, but what happened is I got overspray on the windshield. So I was trying to like wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol. It came off, and then I came back the next day, and the whole plastic had melted from the alcohol. So not my smartest move. So I had to go crazy through my collection trying to find this guy, which I had opened up last year. And I tell you what, I was really worried for a minute that I was gonna have to scrap the whole car, but we found one. And I'm sorry I didn't tint the windows, Eric. I completely forgot, but that's okay. I will be sure to. I think these are tinted already, aren't they? Yeah, they are. So you'll see that one coming up very soon. I'm excited for that. It looks great. This is, we're not gonna talk about what color we painted it. So, but there are 3 amazing customs that I have done for subscribers. I'm not going to put this clip in until they receive it. That way I don't spoil the surprise. Wow, guys, it is rough out there. I don't know if you guys watch Raza Poke or not, but he actually texted me this morning saying, brother, is it going okay for you down there? Because it's not going so good for me over here. We're in the off season. So you know what I did, guys? I went ahead and grabbed the Chevy Super Vault. Now that it's in my hand at my house, it's actually pretty cool. Is this a supercharger? I don't even know what this thing is in the front. This is an electric car, so I'm a little confused as to what's popping out the hood, but I guess it's just some big electric motor or something. Is this a real car? I'm gonna have to go do some research. You know what? Alright, let's go ahead and search this together. No, guys, I don't use Microsoft Edge. Alright, I just use it for this because I don't want you to see all my bookmarks. Alright. Chevy Supervolt. Let's see if this is a real car. I didn't bring the laptop outside because it is sunny out there. I don't know what's gonna come up here. Supervolt. I'm not seeing it. Let's bring up the Hot Wheels information. There we go. Supervolt. Designed by Ryu. Okay, what year? 2015. Okay, so this is an old one. Yeah, I don't have one of these yet. Casting depicts a Chevrolet Volt heavily modified for drag racing, with modifications such as a drag parachute, wheelie bar, removed rear seats, and a blown electric motor. Alright, I see. So the motor's sticking out the front. Model was initially intended to be a Toyota Prius, but Mattel was unable to get approval from Toyota. Okay, I see. So we have the newest one. This dark green. Is there a picture of it? Nope, not yet. Very cool. Hot Wheels meets Chevy Volt in the souped up version of an electric favorite. I don't know about that. Check out the blown motor and aerodynamic rear spoiler. It's fast, efficient, and loaded with style. So there you have it. A little bit of history on the Supervolt. I'm going to try to do that more often, guys. I know I forget sometimes. I say, I don't know what this is. And then I could just go search it, and I don't. Let's do it. This color is just hideous, though. I don't know. It's like poop green. I'm not a big fan of poop green cars in general. And there's like tons of it's really thick. You know what? This might look kind of half decent with some headlights. Maybe we'll have Lisa detail it. Also, the motor on the front is black, but in the picture, what's the deal with that? What's the deal with that, Hot Wheels? Come on. You really? Well, there you go, guys. The Chevy Supervolt. We finally got it. Well, hopefully in the next video we find some cooler stuff than we did in today's. Stay tuned for that, I guess. And I'll see you in that video. Later.